Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Today we are not just solving a math problem, we are diving into the brain gym of the WAIS. Now don't let the name scare you. It's not an exam where you fail and get exiled to a deserted island. It's one of the world's most famous IQ tests, and it measures how your brain juggles with logic, memory and speed. If you ever wanted to prove you are the smartest person in the room without just shouting it at a wall, this is the gold standard since 1955, and we are looking at the figure weight section today. So let's come to the question. Question says a scale has two sides. Left side two green squares, right side one red cube and one blue pyramid. Now a new scale, left side one red cube. So the question is, if one red cube equals to one green sphere, what balances the one blue pyramid? Option number A says one green sphere, option number B says two green spheres, option number C says 1 by 2 green sphere, and option number D says one red cube. Okay, so let's discuss it. So basically we have a scale. It's a simple life, right? And on the left side we have two green spheres and they are just chilling, and on the right side we have one red cube and one blue pyramid, and they are perfectly balanced, perfectly harmony, like a pizza with exactly the right amount of cheese. And then the universe throws us a curveball. The problem tells us one red cube equals one green sphere. One red cube equals to one green sphere. Wait, if they are equal, why are they different shapes? Is the cube having an identity crisis? Is the sphere just a cube that went to the gym? We don't know, but we have to find out what balances that lonely blue pyramid. Okay, so this is not just a puzzle, it's an algebraic substitution in disguise. In the world of the competitive examinations, we call this the systems of linear equation. Your brain is literally doing 2x equal to y plus z without you even realizing it. So you are basically a human calculator with the better hair. Now in logic, if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then definitely A is equal to C. So here we are using the substitution. Think of it like swapping a $10 bill for two $5 bills. The value is the same, but the shape is changed. Now in the competitive intelligence testing, the goal is to see how fast you can swap these mental images without getting crazy. So let's break down it. Equation number 1. Two green spheres is equal to one red cube plus one blue pyramid. Okay. Now the problem says one red cube is one green sphere, right? Now let's swap. Let's take the red cube on the right side and kick out. So replace it with its twin, the green sphere. Now we have two green spheres equal to one green sphere plus one blue pyramid. Now the subtraction part comes. If we take away one green sphere from both the sides, what's left? Left side is one green sphere and right side one blue pyramid. So one green sphere balances the one blue pyramid, and the answer is our option number A. So it's so simple and it almost hurts, right? So it's like finding your keys in your hand after searching the whole house for 20 minutes. So what did we learn today? Besides the fact that I am obsessed with the balance skills, in the examination like WAIS or any high level entrance test, the secret is not just math, it's visual efficiency. The faster you can see the green sphere and the red cube are interchangeable, the faster you solve the puzzle. Okay, so if I talk about the green sphere, the value in sphere is 1 unit. If I talk about the red cube, the value in sphere is 1 unit again. And if I talk about the blue pyramid, this is also 1 unit, okay, in value of the spheres. Okay, so we have just solved a classic question from the WAIS intelligence test. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question, with a new logic, with a new concept, and that will be very beneficial for you, so don't miss that out. Okay, so we will meet at the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with Dr. Shaurav's classes. Bye bye guys, see you soon.